Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll show you how to make a easy crochet flower. So for this I need one yarn, crochet hook and one scissor. So at first you have to take the tail of the yarn and wrap it around your finger to make the magic ring. So like this you wrap the yarn around your finger, then insert the crochet hook and pull the yarn like this and make a single chain. So you can see this is a kind of ring, and around this ring you have to make this flower. So at first I'll make another 2 chains, so total 3 chain we get. Now we'll make double crochet. So first double crochet I made. Now we'll make the second double crochet. Yes, and after second double crochet we'll make 3 chain, 1 chain, second chain and third chain. Done. Now we'll make a slip stitch around the ring. Like this we'll make the slip stitch. It is done. Now again we'll make 3 chain, third chain done, and we'll make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet. This is the first double crochet. Now it is the second double crochet. It's done. Now after double crochet we'll make 3 chain. I think it's clear. So first chain, second chain and third chain. Done. Now again we'll make the slip stitch. So like that you can see my second petal also done. Now we'll make rest of 3 petal. So this is as per your choice. You can make 4 petals or 5 petals or 6 petals, whatever you want. So this is the third petal I'm making. This is my second double crochet I'm making. Second double crochet done. Then we'll make 3 chain and after that we'll make a slip stitch, so that our third petal also done. So guys, this is the very beginner friendly project. This is actually it will come out a very nice cute flower. It's a very easy pattern, and you can use this flower as many of the project. So you can see how I'm making. So this is the 4th petal I am making, like the same way. Guys, if you are like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, you can see my 4th petal also done. Now I'm making the 5th petal. So again I'm making 3 chains and first double crochet and then second double crochet, and then we'll make 3 chains. So here one thing you have to keep in mind, that while we are making, so you keep the hook and yarn a little bit loose. Otherwise if you are making it tightly, so the pattern will not be it will not look good. So while you are crocheting, so that time you please keep in mind. So now you can see my 5th petal done. Now the tail of the yarn, means the starting of the yarn, I'll tie like this. So in between the ring it will be, I'll close the ring like this. So and the last part I'll cut the yarn Yeah, so here it's done. So here I'll put inside the hole the hook, and we'll pull out the yarn, and in the back side I'll tie a knot to fix it. It should not be open, and tie it properly. Yeah, so your first crochet easy flower has done. So this flower you can use as many as a project. Yeah, so thank you for watching my full video. Please do like, share and subscribe.